Hello, doctor. I'm very happy and proud that you have cracked rank one in PGI urology. So, Dr. Kripavani, rank one is now the talk of India because the most demanding seat currently in MCH can say is urology. Because I always tell the urologist can practice from pediatric urology to geriatric urology, which is BPH and all those things. Infertility, if they want to have a relaxed learning, anything like urogynecologist,
Yes,
female urogynecologist, very like entrepreneur urologist is a transplant surgeon because it's basically a teamwork and urologist for I can say to do a erectile dysfunction, penile implants not many are doing. There's a very big specialty which is a real in specialty, and I always tell small stone and big money is a urology because such a common field is problem is stone disease and BPH. Okay,
yes.
welcome to this wonderful specialty. How do you feel,
Thank
Doctor?
you, sir.
Rank is a great one.
I'm like overwhelming. It's very overwhelming right now because rank one was not something like I had obviously you aspire to, but it was never like I've always wanted a good institute for my final degree. So I am I still on?
Yeah, you are on. You are on. Go ahead, Doctor.
Am I still on? Yeah.
Yeah, you are on.
So I've always wanted a good institute for my final degree. So it's a great feeling to be here in PGI.
Yeah, definitely. There are top institute aims and the PGI where you can learn a lot of new stuffs, and it is a great academic feast will be there for you definitely. Many students see. I always tell the role of Dr. Anton and concept and the team is just to make things very simple because to prepare such a enormous stuff in a short time and with marriage commitment or the with age commitment is the biggest task. How you prepared actually? How much really concept was useful, doctor?
Sir, I had attended the 2019 October Chennai classes. So before that, I had given the NEET ones just as a trial because I had not actually prepared by then. I was freshly out of my general surgery. So based on that, I understood where I lacked and how much I don't know about the field to crack the exam. So I had attended the classes and it gave me at least those notes were really helpful, the class notes. And those 6 days, actually, the morning to evening sessions, so it was a little too much to grasp in the beginning. But obviously, I'm sure all of the professors did the best that they could to teach us in that short span because the subject is vast. And But those notes were very helpful. And once I went back after the classes, I knew like you gave us a lot of tips to, like how to read for the exam for NEET, how to search for MCQs in the text when we read. So I
Exactly.
remembered your tips as to how to catch on to numbers that are important while reading Campbell, and to remember those specific numbers which are like 1% numbers, or which are like 50% numbers. You had given us those tips, and then to remember the middle ranges instead of remembering all the ranges. So there was a little tips that I held on to while during my further revisions also, and it helped. Like the smart studying is not always an easy job for everybody. So and not remembering is not a strong forte of mine. I usually understand things to and then remember. So just mugging up things was never a easy thing for me. But whatever I learned in the class, it strengthened my understanding of the subject, and that's how I eventually like grasped onto the MCQs also.
Yeah, true, Dr. Kriba. Now, based upon you people request, we have created a online application. I think people can, students can watch multiple time. And every time I will be guiding them also, as you say, the 1% above 50%, and I love in fact 33%, because it
Yeah.
become one third of one third of 100, 33, 33, 33, 99, and plus one is 100%. So these all really somehow we started analyzing, and then started teaching it. Yeah, but cracking PGA is I can say, it is not an easy job. It is one step ahead than I can say the aims. But the aims, the biggest gambling I can say is
The
interview. But PGA is not here. That there's no such gambling. But there's definitely the questions are very good and tough. In fact, beyond our thinking in PGA. How you manage, especially general surgery, doctor?
Sir, I used to like divide my time 30%, 70%, 30% for general surgery and 70 for euro. Like initially when I started off, because once after general surgery, I had read my Bailey and Love and Sabiston for the final year exams. So I had a bit of, like I had marked stuff back then. So that time I used to devote a little less time for surgery, and I was new to urology and Campbell, so I would devote more time to that in the beginning. And I did not get a great rank in last year NEET. I had a rank of 396. So despite doing all my possible revisions of Campbell and studying notes and trying, I solved a lot of MCQs also from a lot of MCQ banks, but somehow I think it did not work out last time. But then I again got back to revision. The 6 monthly institute exams are a good test for your like to analyze yourself. So I would always keep giving them, and I had cracked AIMS in December last year. So that was another pointer for me that I'm in the right direction. So when I did that, I understood where where more I can, what more I can do. So that helped. And general surgery, once I was confident about urology MCQs, I started giving a little bit more time to general surgery because that washes out more quickly once you stop revising general surgery MCQs. They are very random, and we really don't know which book they actually pick it up from, Schwartz
Right.
or Sabiston or Bailey and Love. And some MCQs are actually different, differently answered in each of the books. So only by solving the class, I had done the grand test series from concept for general surgery last year, and I
Okay.
had made my notes from those MCQs of general surgery, Bailey and Sabiston. So I had made my own notes out of that. I did not go back to the textbooks for everything because they are too. You can't do devote time to both. I couldn't devote time to both Campbell and Sabiston again equally. So I would just do questions again. I kept
Exactly,
revising the
doctor.
surgery questions. I think for general surgery, if you just keep revising questions rather than the text, so you solve as many questions as possible in general surgery. That's probably how you can do it, and revise the questions rather than the text.
Yeah, one more point I also will add in this time is, when the students see in Campbell 12th edition, we have created almost 6,000 questions with explanation. And almost 70% of the questions have the explanations which has been given by the achievers, last year conceptians and 2 years back conceptians. It's all their hard work, I can say. I can give the credit to the dear conceptians. And what I suggest from that discussion, from the point of revising, is when they read such a certain MCQs, after working out the revising the content, so new point, whatever they feel they should add to the book,
Add
or
to it.
and to
Right.
take a note of it, rather than finding a bookmark of it, because at the end of the day they may not find to revise.
Yeah.
So
You
every
don't
time,
get time to go back to the text at all.
exactly, exactly,
Even
exactly.
the 12th Campbell updates that happened, I had read Campbell 11 after the Chennai classes, and then Campbell 12th came just in March or April in 2020. So there was again that pressure of reading Campbell again all over again. But the online classes that happened during the lockdown, They were a good source of all the updates from Campbell. So that helped a bit during the NEET and the previous AIMS PGI exams that 6 months ago. So
Yeah.
during and by that time again, like I did not have time to read Campbell 12th by then. So those points helped, and I couldn't crack in the last AIMS exam. I did not get through to the interview, but then I had 6 months in hand, so I decided to like reopen the like open the 12th edition and go through it once for my own to boost my own confidence, because I wouldn't be satisfied just with points and notes. So I went through the basics, first 20 chapters and all the CAs myself, and just went through all the points, because once I have seen those points, I'm more sure of that I'll remember it. So
True.
I've done at least Campbell the 12th edition. I did it myself again. The main chunk of chapters that carry the MCQ weightage. So that was another thing that I think helped. Doing class
Super.
notes is a good. It gives you a good direction, but obviously because we are not everybody is exposed to urology in depth during their general surgery, so and understanding the question and then answers and the logic behind it is not easy. So for that you have to go back to the text. You can't really rely on review. Maybe some people crack through. I'm not. I don't count myself as an exception. I have done my groundwork a lot, so I know that, and I have done all the basic groundwork that I could for grasping the subject for an MCQ exam. So that's how I could do it.
Exactly, doctor. Because you have given a exam, started your preparation in 2019, and to start again a 12th edition content from the new concept material is not an easy one. So you easily updated the content from the
Exactly.
text. That's one of the good thing, because the new points, just editing the new points is a reasonable option rather than shifting the material and going with the newer one. And how much? I hope most of the questions have been asked from the 12th edition, Campbell.
Yes, there were not a lot of changes. Definitely, there were a few changes. Protocols were updated. The guidelines were some flow charts were updated, but they were already provided in the notes, so we already knew them, and
Exactly.
especially from Stone and RCCs. So we already the notes were a step ahead in that way, and the classes during the lockdown had already predicted those changes that were going to happen. So that way we knew where to look for, what to look for in the 12th edition beforehand for changes especially. So that helped, and it was easy then to just add on to the notes like that.
Exactly, Robert. What do you recommend for the students who they are going to give the NEET Super Specialty 2021? And I hope in the next 2 months it should happen. I predict in September last week. What is your feel like? Because some may be missed in the mark of 50, 52 in PGI, and some also may be missed in the aims. But for them also, people who are preparing and want to give the best in the NEET Super Specialty 2021, what is your suggestion for them, so that they can help, that guidance can help them to crack the exam?
I think everybody should just give as many mock tests and grand test series as many as they can, because they are a good way to analyze yourself, check yourself as to where you're going wrong. And I think it's the best way to know where you are going wrong is by getting more answers wrong than right. So if you know, if that, because that wrong answer hurts you more than the right one, so you'll remember it for sure in the grand test when you see your rank. I'd given the grand test before PGI and AIMS, one of the mock tests, and I was rank 50, and
Wow.
so I knew that the answer that I have done wrong, I really did them 2-3 times before I went for the finals again. So I knew where I have to go wrong. At least the wrong answers give you a direction. So getting a good rank is a good thing, but the questions never remain the same in the exams. So it's best to know where you are weak, I think, than as much as you know your strengths. So all those who know for the people who are preparing, I think they should keep analyzing themselves by giving test series for general surgery and the super specialty of their choice, and then divide their time accordingly as to what they feel more weak at and more confident at, like I did for 30/70 for general surgery and uro initially. Then I moved on to, I changed it, switched it over, because by the time I got confident in Campbell, I started growing weak in my general surgery. So before PGI exam, I would, my night 3-4 hours, I would just do general surgery, because I knew that they are a big scoring point in PGI. They don't have negative marking in general surgery there. So where you can gain at in PGI is the general surgery part. Even though their exam questions are tough and you don't really understand their source, but they are all strongly based in your understanding in general
True.
surgery. They are not a lot of. I did not find a lot of factual questions in PGI general surgery part. So, and urology was also like most of them will be covered by the notes and your revision from reviews. So if you just keep revising, you just have to keep revising. I think for everybody who's studying, revision is the only way. For people who have a good grasp in the beginning early, some people grasp things really quickly. For them, I think they know how to do it. But for people who like I've found my way slowly into this, so it's a matter of revision completely.
Definitely, definitely, doctor. Slow and steady always win. There is no doubt. Slow and steady always win.
It's a real
As
big test of patience for most of us, because everybody's managing more than one aspect of their life, not just career wise, studying wise, but family wise and everything. So it's a big test of patience more than a test of MCQs. So it's on the final day, you just have to like find that uh, clear mind space of yours for yourself to give that exam, because there are always a lot of stressors that are on in your life. So I think you just have to keep the dream on and continue working towards it.
that's a great word. That's a great word, I can say. The managing everything is important, and I rather tell, don't bother, keep working for the day, given day. The future will be
Yeah.
definitely yours. Forget the past. Don't worry about the future. Work for the given day, given time, given second. That's I think that's a still more easy way to be happy always. That's what
Yeah.
you are also willing to convey. And
Because
the
there was a
final
lot of
one.
problems during lockdown. Everybody had extra issues to manage, I'm sure, and especially for all the general surgeons who were working in in departments or otherwise, work had slacked, and there were a lot of uh, added problems due to lockdown. So we all suffered for a lot in a lot of ways. So I think just having that patience and just keeping that faith on was really important for all the people who are studying.
Exactly. Nice, nice. This is not an easy one, as you rightly said. And the last one, which I want to ask you, Doctor, how do you feel about the concept and our team, so that this can help us? This I can share it openly also. This can help us because, as I told you, I am a transplant surgeon. I love surgery. This is just a passion, and each and every member in my team is like surgeons. Dr. Karthik Rajan is a surgeon at UK. Everybody are surgeons. They are not just an academician alone. So, how do you feel the concept, Dr. Anton and his team? How do you feel like you may have some feel? You may want to something to share so that to the people as well as for us, so that can motivate us also, because this all more than money or anything. This sharing of words is a real happiness, as many students used to tell, your words are our motivations. So again, I feel the team of concept and urologist want something from the students that will really, or some whatever you feel will be help us. So because this is just a passion, we want to give something to our young students, so that they can have a stress less preparation. That's the bottom line which is running in my mind whenever I do
Yes,
some educational activities.
yes, sir. Sir, I had really enjoyed the classes, and more so even the online classes that happened during the lockdown, because probably one reason that I understood more after that class, it was a revision class for me, and your classes are always very fun to have. It's full of energy, and you always keep us on our toes with questions and MCQs and some pointer here and there. And your lectures are very precise and crisp to the point. So that was I really liked. My pen was always running during your talks because I wouldn't want to miss out on anything. And I really enjoyed Dr. Karthik Rajan and Dr. Venkat sir's Eurogynac part as well, because he had done it, simplified it, and in a very amazing way. The lectures went on for like I think 2-3 sessions for 3 hours, 4 hours, especially the fistulas and the urogynec pelvic floor disorders. He took it extensively, and that is something that I don't think you can understand even by reading Campbell. It is really confusing. So that what he simplified for us was really amazing. I have not touched the Campbell review nor the text for that whole section of transport, storage, and emptying. That part I have not had to touch. I only read his notes because I found them more than enough for an exam. That is not one of the main MCQ points also, but just for to keep, I did not want to miss out on any revision from Campbell, so I would just do his notes. And all the cancers were covered really well by yourself and Dr. Karthik sir. So that was very nicely, precisely, the PowerPoints were really nicely done. And plus, you would mark on during the online classes on those PPTs. So we all just, could see the videos anytime and revise. So concept was really helpful that way. I never felt the need to join any other class or do any other revisions. After that, I would just do MCQs from various MCQ banks and Campbell books. So, but go back to the class notes for any doubts.
Yeah, sure. Nice words, Doctor. I convey to Dr. Vengi Bhargav, Dr. Karthik Rajan, and all my team members. Dr. Vengi Bhargav is really busy now. He is not able to do the recording also. We have other team members who has done equally the good job. But I really love Karthik Rajan, the commitment from UK. He took the class,
Yeah.
and that is a really one of the greatest blessing of concept. I always tell. All the best, my dear friend. You will
Thank
definitely
you, sir.
rock. You will enjoy. You will enjoy. Definitely, you will enjoy. Always tell the life is and happiness is at most important rather than the degree or anything. So enjoy life, and all degrees, money, everything will fall in line. Definitely, all conceptians will rock because our aim is for happiness, nothing else. Everything is a
Yes.
byproduct. Thank you,
Yes,
Doctor.
sir. Thank you so much, sir.